not approach a moving tram, please do not approach a moving tram. Just stay about 6 feet away until we do pass by. We do appreciate that.
Hello friends and welcome to the Magic Kingdom. Glad you're here. Hanging out with my friends. Gregor's back here too. And we're in for a good time today. I'm really glad you're here. Well, we're not to the Magic Kingdom yet. We're on the tram. And it's tram packed. They said that. I stole that from them. It's funny though.
On behalf of myself and my drab rep friend, we'd like to be the first to welcome you to the Magic Kingdom. Or should I say, not quite yet. We are still about 1.5 miles away from Disney's Magic Kingdom. Our park will be closing at 11 p.m. tonight. That is 11 p.m.
Prices to get in the park are not getting any cheaper, my friends. Cheap. But thanks to my friend Andrea here, who is a cast member. We don't have to pay to get in today. And this is a cast member preview of TRON, the newest ride in Magic Kingdom. I'm stoked about this.
I'm really excited.
Yeah.
Especially to see it all in.
When did they start building this? Do you know?
Like 5 years ago.
Wow. Cool. All right.
It's gonna be awesome.
Here we go. Thank you, sir. All right. On the monorail. I was hoping to get on this today.
The meeting resorts that have stops for the.
It's Bailey Tower.
There's so much going on here at the park right now. A lot of people floating around, of course. It's Disney World, but it's a chilly day. We're walking into the future. How close to the future do you think Tomorrowland is?
I think 100% accurate. We're totally like living in like Logan's Run and all these other sci-fi worlds.
Yep. Tron.
Yep. This is Tron, just one example. So,
Yep.
no, Tomorrowland is 100% accurate. This is how we live in the future.
This is how we live in the future. Check this out.
So up here in front of us, we got the orbiter. So this is a simulator that shows that in the future, people still can't handle traffic and they all get stuck in the roundabout still.
Have fun, guys. Have fun.
All right, all right. We got there a little bit early, but wanted to wait until nighttime to see what the ride was like at dark. So we waited around a little bit for a photo op, and this is it. We were having a great time. The shell of this structure out here has got this unique design all over it. You can't really see it unless you get up close. It's a photo op you can take advantage of out here. It's one of the motorcycles. Picture taken. We're almost to the front. I'm getting very excited. This is really good. I can tell this is going to be an awesome ride.
Winter prize. We're gonna have to rent these things?
Well, if we have to rent these, don't get the insurance, because I think our auto insurance covers any accidents.
Yeah. They ain't got my name.
Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to record while I'm riding this. I don't have a chest mount or a GoPro or anything like that, so I'm just going to enjoy it, but I'll show you as much as I can up until getting locked into the motorcycle and afterwards. It's going to be rad.
Be warned,
Okay, we're at a dead end.
the Lightcycle Run makes sharp turns
here.
with sudden drops and securely fastened. Supervised young team users at all times.
Wow. Oh, spacey.
You're gonna want to record. Like, hurry up.
Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of TRON.
Team Blue, welcome to the grid. Proceed to gates. To win, every member of Team Blue must pass through 8 energy gates before their opponents. Stick together. It's your only hope for victory.
Well, I hope we can stick together,
Are
guys,
you?
so we're not a loser and we're just winners.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
That's right. Go Team Blue. I just found out everybody's on Team Blue, so I guess
We're gonna win.
we all win. So do we all get trophies at the end too?
I think it's rigged.
So the lockers, they provide for you for free, so you can put all your stuff in and then fall out while you're riding the light cycle. And more lines. They have mastered the art of staying in a line up here. There's so much stimulus around it. It makes you, not feel like you're really standing in a line for that long. Although we've been in line for about 45 minutes. It's not so bad. A lot of lights and flashy things and stuff. Awesome. We're gonna ride front row. Yeah, looking forward to this. Lorenzo, hold on. Right. Oh, it's weird getting in here. That was awesome. Oh my gosh. What'd you think of that?
That was awesome.
It was so good.
That is the best way to sit on a roller coaster in the front row.
Yeah. So incredible. It's one of the best roller coasters that I've ever rode on, ever.
It's short, but it's fun.
It's short. It's 45 seconds, but it's really, really fun. What'd you think, Andrea?
Dude, it was amazing.
Yeah, wasn't
Well
it?
worth the wait.
Thanks for getting me on the ride.
Anytime.
This cast member preview, this has been a lot of fun.
It's been a lot of fun.
Yeah, even the line was fun.
Right. That one room where it went
that was
clear.
cool. Yeah.
Dude,
Oh. Wow. Great time.
so good.
I do wish that I had some kind of a chest mount or a head mount for a GoPro, and I could have showed you the whole entire ride, but it's pretty dark in a lot of the places. I don't even know if that kind of video would show up. I'm sure that people have put that online already. This cast member preview has been going on for a couple of days now. I've seen a lot of posting from this ride, but I enjoyed just riding it, enjoying the ride without filming anything as well. I'll let you decide if you like that and let you experience that for yourself. But this is TRON. It's one of the greatest roller coasters I've ever ridden. I hope you make it out here, friends, and try it out yourself here at the Magic Kingdom. Thanks for joining me and my friends here today. I really appreciate your company. I'll see you in the next video.
This will be my final boarding call. We are looking pretty tram-packed. If you're able to find it.